In this video we are fixing this very rusted and dented door with a cheap do-it-yourself method. The previous owner told us he would probably just buy a new one, so that made it a challenge for us to fix it. We took out our hot glue gun and glued some wooden blocks on the dents. For the dents on the top of the door this worked perfect and quick. And then I messed up by pressing against the place I just undented. I'm stupid. Then Art, the farmer where the car is at, invited us for a drink. He's so sweet, really feels like our grandpa. After that we went straight back to pulling and more pulling. Seems all that training pulling as a teen wasn't for nothing. And yes, a bit of frustration and more pulling. But in the end, the dents were almost completely gone. And if you're ever try this method yourself, make sure you use stronger wood than I did, otherwise this will happen. Then Mariah had her first experience with body filler and she did a perfect job, which leaves us at this, a really good result if you ask us. We only need to weld the last part in and then the door is rust free.